Hi, and welcome to this tutorial on, we're still dealing with the accelerometers, and in this video we're going to hook up our accelerometer to our Arduino. So you see the schematic there we have for hooking up, in particular this MPU6050. And so basically I have my Arduino and I have my sensor in, and these nanos tend to be my favorite. They're this nano clone, they're very inexpensive, and uh, pretty stable. They work. So this is Arduino Nano. I'm just going to plug that in there into my breadboard. All right, and just following along, we're going to hook up got some hookup wire here. We're going to hook up the VCC. We're going to hook that up to the power here. In this case, I guess it's back here, 5 volts. Is that right? Yeah, that's right. Okay. And then ground to ground. Hard to tell where this connected text. Ground right there. Ground to ground. Okay. And then it says SCL to, that's purple to A5. SCL to analog 5 here. And SDA, the next one, to analog 4, so it's kind of reversed, slightly reversed. And finally, we're going to do the INT or interrupt pin to number 2, I guess digital 2. So find the interrupt here, and then find my digital 2, which is right next to ground. So hopefully that'll fit in there and there. Yep, digital 2. Okay, so that's it. Quite simple, and it's ready to go.